Ladies and gentlemen, it is date night. There's my boy Sean having a little date. Okay, so he starts off with some bourbon. Beautiful. All right, love my boy's pouring style. Then comes behind that with some Torani, a little bit of lemon juice. My pronunciation might be a little off on some of this stuff, but that's just how it is. I barely speak English, even though it's my native language. Okay, and then he hits it with some date syrup. Beautiful. Some pomegranate juice. Nice. Okay, and then he comes behind that with a nice little shake. Beautiful. Puts a nice clear ice cube in the glass. You always want your clear ice cubes with these fancy mixology drinks, people. Don't get no cloudy ice, a little bit of soda water on top, and then garnish that bad boy with some dates. Beautiful. And there you have it. Date night.
Dates. Do you like dates?
Yeah, of course. Like with girls or like with them?
Yes.
That was corny. Okay, yes, I do love dates. Okay. Date's really big in the Middle East. So guys, this drink's really for you, all you date lovers out there. How'd you come up with this one?
So it's I started with the date syrup. I found this in a store. I think it was World Market. I think. I mean, you can make this at home, but like it was going to take a long time and a lot of dates. So
you started with a date nectar.
Hot dates. Yeah, started with the date nectar and kind of just built it out from there. I wanted something that was like earthy, but accelerated the dates. This drink made me nervous because like its component parts to me don't feel like they should taste very good, but
I like it.
I don't know, I've been digging this one.
I like it. I like your stuff, man. It's good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Don't talk with your mouth full of food. Did your parents ever teach you that? Okay, my parents were not very good at teaching me stuff, so I'm a little ratchet, but I'm working it out. It's really good, man. I like it a lot.
Sheena, do you like dates?
I didn't have lunch. Okay, so I'm just eating here. Do it, and you gotta look. I taste the pomegranate now. The minute I looked at it, how much did you put in that? Just a little bit?
Just an ounce.
I could kind of taste a little bit of My taste bud's horrible. Who knows what I tasted? Okay, that could be anything. But listen here, this dude is legit. Okay, you have a date going on. You wanna, spice it up, use a little bit of puns. Hey, date, I have a little date night for you. On our date night.
Totally that's great advice.
Hey, date, I have a little date night for you on our date night.
What's the last time you were on a date?
Been a while, okay? I got a girlfriend, okay? I think she felt sorry for me. It's like, okay, yeah, let's date. Anyway, listen here. Go check out my boy Sean on Instagram. Follow him. Ask him about his drinks. You know what I mean? Help him with puns. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, if you got a pun, let me know.
Dude, it's horrible. Like
I'll use it. I'll let you know how it goes.
When a girl just dates you because she feels sorry for you, you know? But hey, I take what I can get. Okay, I'm not gonna complain. Okay, the Lord provides. I take. Stay tipsy.